Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take one live trade by using my price action strategy and will explain you about it so that you can understand it as well as apply it in your live trading session. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So currently we are looking at a 1 minute candlestick chart. As you can see, this is a 1 minute candlestick chart. And if we go by the trend, it's clearly downtrend, and we kind of missed the trading opportunity here. You can see that market was at the support level and it broke through, but as this opportunity is gone, so we will try to find another one. So I will remove it now as I don't see any. Okay, so here we have resistance level. So we first of all we will try to draw some key levels because we are going to use them. Okay, so the level of support started from here and I'll draw an area. So this is a zone of support, I can say that. Okay, so it's a good level of support here. Market, as you look carefully, the price action, it is going aggressively. When such momentum happens by the market, prices correct itself, it retraces back. Right now I don't see any healthy retracement since this level, and it's around 40-minute move by the market, aggressive 40-minute move in the downward direction. So we can expect a retracement here. So what we will do, we have our strong level of support. We will wait for the market to hit this level. If the market is weak and we got some good confirmation, we are going to place a trade here. So let's wait. As you can see, I can still currently I'm seeing some rejection by the buyers. You can see these are the rejection. The wick shows the rejection, and market is moving towards our level of strong support. So let's wait for the opportunity, and I'm sure that we are going to have a good trading setup here. You can see again market reverses back, and if you look carefully here, market, this is a whole number, it is 85050. so that is why market is respecting this level. So what we will do, we will try to include this one also. So right now this whole zone is a support level to us, because you can see market respected this level previously and it worked really great. So now right now we have the same level. So let's wait how market will react by touching this level. Right now market is showing weaknesses, so what we need here is a good strong bullish confirmation, then only we can place a trade. Otherwise we will wait, as the price action is steep and it is aggressive. You can see it is going strongly in the downward direction. Well, that is what you have to focus on, because market is going strongly in the downward direction, and in such cases you always wait for the weakness. I don't see any weakness in this candle, so let's wait if market break this level or not. Even if market break this level, it is going to be a fake out. The chances are 90%, because price action is not healthy at all here and market has to reverse back, it has to retrace. Let's go on a major time frame. Let's see over 1 hour chart. I'm just looking at it. This is not my strategy, just wanted to confirm. Okay, so you can see market was respecting the same level previously, so it's a good level of support. We can use it. Market, even if market break this level, we have got another level, which is this level. This is a good level. This is 0.85000. It's a whole number, and I know that if market break this level, it is going to reverse from this this current level, because it's a whole number and it is at a strong support zone. Market will reverse from this level, there is no doubt in my mind. So let's wait. I'm sure about this trading setup, and I'm confident about this support zone also. So let's wait. The previous candle was very strong. This is some bullish signal, but still this is not a strong signal that we can buy here. I will still wait for a clear confirmation, then only we can trust the level and can say that yes, market can reverse now. And if market reverses back, the retracements should be around 50% for me, because it's an aggressive move. So I'm expecting a 50% retracement at least from this zone, but this is what I'm expecting. This is not how market will move. Market will move according to its will. It doesn't matter what I think about it, but this is my analysis. So let's wait. Now the second confirmation by the bulls. Can we place our trade here? Well, no, I will not place my trade here, because as this is a strong candle, but still previous bearish candle was very strong. So I will wait. I just want some momentum to get weak. Currently the momentum is still in the favor of sellers, so let's wait. If like market reverses back, it goes till this level, reverses from this level, formed a strong candlestick pattern, then we are going to place our trade for sure. But current scenario, I'm not going to place any trade at all. I'm not in a mood, and I don't see any sign of reversal right now. Market can reverse, but for me, my analysis doesn't support reversals on these conditions. So let's wait for the time. Okay, as you can see, market again goes down. The bears are again in the market, but let's see. As this is a strong level, I'm pretty sure that we are going to have a good trading setup here. We just need a good confirmation. Right now we don't have them, but with time we are going to get one, and we'll place our trade accordingly. So let's wait. And what I will do, I will fast forward this video because I don't want to waste your time, and for me also it's very hard to speak like constantly. So I will fast forward this video and will resume it again at the time when I took the trade. So let's wait. So I have placed my trade, we got confirmation, and now let's wait for the result. After the result, I will explain you why I took this trade. So let's wait. And at the end we won this trade. It was a small margin gap, otherwise we could have lost this trade. So I will say that this was quite a lucky trade for me, but I will say that my analysis was correct, but still market is the king. It shows that even if you are doing everything, like you know everything, but still you can lose the trade because market is unpredictable. So the best thing is to apply your strategy with discipline. We have won this trade, but the margin was very small, and it was a lucky trade, I will say. So now let me explain you why I took this trade. Now it is moving up, so it was just going down to scare me off. Okay, so the main thing why I took this trade was simple. First of all, I look at the price action. It was sharp downward move by the market. It was like a move of 40 minutes approximately, and it was going strongly in the downward direction without any retracement. So for me, retracement is necessary because this creates pressure situation in market, and to release it has to retrace back, it has to correct the price. So I was expecting a correction here, but we cannot expect a correction from any level. We need strong level, as in this case we required a strong level of support. So what I did, I draw a zone of support level. This was the support zone. I have drawn it from, previously it was like this. After that I included the whole number of 0.85000 also, but this was the actual support level which we used in the beginning. So this was, for me, this was a strong level of support, and so I was sure that market will reverse from this level. But as you can see, market goes till this level. It was moving strongly downward in the downward direction. So I thought that market may go a little bit down, but I found out that there is a whole number below the support zone, so I included that one also. That was the reason why I took this level here. So the two things were in our favor, that the market needs some retracement and we have some strong level of support. The third thing which I wanted was the weak market. Previously market was showing weakness. This candle alone shows the strength, the fast aggressive move by the sellers, but after that it's all in the favor of buyers. Market goes up, it comes down, it again goes up. I waited for the market to break this recent resistance level, because it confirms me that the price action now is in the favor of going in the upward direction. I place my trade here for 5 minutes and that's why we won this trade. So the reasons were the price action, the aggressive price move suggests me that there should be some retracement. Strong level of support suggests me that market can reverse from the same level. The market was weak, so it was the third thing, that now the momentum is dying and buyers can enter at any moment of time. So when these three things matches, I just need a confirmation from the buyers that yes, we are in the market. So we did the same. I waited and this was the confirmation, the presence of buyer, and we put our trade here, and still market is going in the upward direction. So that was the analysis. That's why I took this trade, and this is the whole reason. So I think I hope that you have understand this concept, why I took this trade in that region. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Your comments are very valuable to me, so please make sure that you show some love in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, make sure you share it with someone who needs such kind of price action videos. And if you have doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. With that note, I will finish this video here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.